productivity boosters to mind-blowing gadgets, these tools are game changers. And trust me, you're going to want to try them right now. All the links to these tools are in the video description below, so you can check them out as we go. Let's jump in.
Looking for the perfect blend of style and functionality? Meet the Huawei Band 9 Smart Bracelet. With its sleek design, vibrant AMOLED display, and lightweight feel, this fitness companion is packed with powerful features like heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and over 100 workout modes. Stay connected with smart notifications, long battery life, and water resistance up to 5 ATM, making it ideal for your active lifestyle. Introducing the AceBeam L35 2.0 tactical flashlight, the ultimate tool for adventure security and emergency situations. With a staggering 5,000 lumens of brightness and a long-range beam reaching up to 650 meters, this flashlight ensures no corner stays in the dark. Whether you're exploring the wilderness, on a night patrol, or need a reliable companion for emergencies. Ever wondered what the world looks like up close? With the Apexel 200X pocket microscope lens, you can turn your smartphone into a powerful microscope, giving you a detailed view of everyday objects. Whether you're exploring the fine textures of a leaf or examining tiny details on a coin, this pocket-sized lens is perfect for on-the-go discovery. Just clip it onto your phone and dive into a whole new micro-world. For digital nomads, a good backpack is your mobile office. The BagSmart Men's Anti-Theft Backpack has you covered with its sleek design, multiple compartments, and secure anti-theft features. It's perfect for carrying your laptop, camera gear, and other essentials, all while ensuring your valuables are safe from pickpockets. Plus, it's water-resistant, ideal for any weather. The Baseus 65 watts power bank, with a massive 30,000 mAh capacity and PD quick charge capability. If you're traveling long distances, whether on a flight or a road trip, this power bank will keep your phone, tablet, and even your laptop charged for hours. It's compact, portable, and charges multiple devices simultaneously. Perfect for staying powered up on the go. Baseus Car Trash Bin, the ultimate solution for keeping your ride clean and organized. Crafted from premium alloy, this compact yet stylish bin fits perfectly in any vehicle. It's designed to hold waste securely with an easy open lid to keep odors contained. Whether it's wrappers, tissues, or small rubbish, this organizer ensures a clutter-free interior. Its modern design blends seamlessly with your car's aesthetic. For all the coffee lovers out there, you'll want to check out the Binku Panda Rubik's Cube Mocha coffee machine set. This cute yet powerful coffee maker can brew the perfect Italian-style mocha right on your desk. With its compact size and unique design, it's a real conversation starter. It's perfect for those moments when you need a caffeine boost without leaving your workspace. Plus, who doesn't love freshly brewed coffee? Looking for the ultimate tactical advantage in your airsoft games? The Z-Tac Soft Air Tactical Headset ComTac 2 6.0 delivers unmatched performance, combining high-quality sound with durable military-grade construction. This headset features advanced noise cancellation, allowing you to stay focused in high-pressure environments, while the built-in microphone ensures clear communication with your team. Are you tired of wrinkles ruining your outfits? Meet the Xiaomi Mijia Handheld Garment Steamer 2. This sleek, portable steamer heats up in just 30 seconds, making it perfect for quick touch-ups at home or on the go. With its powerful steam output, it easily smooths out the toughest creases on all fabrics, from delicate silks to sturdy cottons. The ergonomic design and lightweight build ensure comfort while you steam away. Are you tired of bulky, corded vacuums? Meet the Bosch Gas 18V-1 cordless vacuum cleaner, the perfect compact powerhouse for fast, hassle-free cleaning. Powered by Bosch's 18-volt battery, this lightweight vacuum delivers incredible suction to tackle dust, crumbs, and dirt on any surface, from carpets to hard floors, all without the restriction of a cord. Darren Enter Neo 2000 Portable Power Station, your ultimate power solution for any adventure or emergency. With a massive 2,000-watt output and a whopping 2,073.6 watt-hour capacity, this powerhouse can charge everything from smartphones to appliances. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or facing a power outage, the Neo ensures you stay connected. Equipped with multiple outlets, fast-charging USB ports, and solar compatibility, it's designed for efficiency and convenience. Eufy X10 Pro Omni, a revolutionary cleaning powerhouse for your home. With an impressive 8,000 Pascal suction dual spinning mops and AI precision mapping, it tackles dirt and stains effortlessly. Its 12mm auto-lift technology protects carpets while mopping, ensuring every surface is spotless. Completely hands-free, the Omni's self-cleaning base washes, dries, and refills water so you can sit back and relax. The UFi X10 Pro Omni delivers next-level cleaning at the touch of a button. Are you ready to experience a whole new way of watching movies, gaming, and diving into virtual worlds? Meet the Guvis Art XR Smart Glasses headset. With its ultra-high-resolution micro-OLED displays, lightweight design, and a sharp 3D cinema feel, this headset makes immersive viewing more portable than ever. Whether you're connecting to your smartphone, console, or computer, the Guvis Art XR delivers stunning visuals that transform your media experience anywhere. Stay connected with your vehicle no matter where you are with the Xiaomi GPS tracker. This strong magnetic tracker attaches discreetly to your car and provides real-time location tracking. It's perfect for keeping tabs on your car's whereabouts, whether you're monitoring a new driver or just want added security. With accurate tracking and a long battery life, it's a reliable way to keep your car safe. Meet the Time Kettle Fluent Talk T1, the ultimate language translator built for effortless communication. With support for 40 languages and instant real-time translation, it's perfect for travel work or global connections. Its 4-inch HD screen ensures a crystal-clear display, while the cutting-edge photo AI translation reads and translates text from images in a snap. Compact, stylish, and incredibly intuitive, the Fluent Talk T1 makes breaking language barriers easier than ever. Get precision like never before with the DeWalt DW089 LG laser level. Featuring 360-degree 12-line green lasers, this powerhouse provides unparalleled visibility even in outdoor settings. Whether you're working on vertical or horizontal alignment, its 3-sided projection ensures total coverage for any job. Powered by a reliable 12-volt lithium battery, it delivers extended runtime to keep up with your toughest projects. Are you tired of dry air in your home? The Home Air Humidifier 1 liter is here to make a difference. This compact but powerful humidifier has a 1-liter tank that's perfect for bedrooms, offices, or any cozy space needing a moisture boost. With its quiet operation, it ensures a peaceful environment while adding essential humidity to your air, helping reduce dryness that can affect skin, sleep, and overall comfort.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the next tech drop. And remember, you'll find all the links to everything we talked about down in the description. Go check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.